thank you so much to the jury, of course, for giving this special mention, and also thank you to Molly for recognizing and finding this work in the first place. Otherwise, I wouldn't be here. And yeah, thank you to my daughter who's here with me today, because Drifting Woods in a way is also for her, but also for Hazel, or all the hazels, the forest. And so I'm very pleased to actually also, what I have been really pleased to is to meet the audience here in Seoul. It's been a really beautiful experience, yeah, so for me this is a great honor. Thank you very much.